What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get developer beta updates on your iPhone. If you want to install the latest iOS developer beta update, the first step is to enroll in Apple's developer program. To do this, open up a web browser on your iPhone and go to developer.apple.com. Once you're on the website, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and then select Account. Sign in using your Apple ID and follow the prompts. After signing in, you may be asked to agree to the Apple Developer Agreement. This is completely free and you don't need a paid developer account. Once you've completed this step, open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to General and then tap on Software Update. If you don't see the Beta Updates option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. To update your iPhone, head to the Software Update section of your settings and install any available updates. When, in the future, iOS 19 Developer Beta is released, go back to Settings, General, Software Update and tap Beta Updates and select iOS 19 Developer Beta from the list. Your iPhone will then recognize the new beta version and allow you to install it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.